Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze in an LT trim and powered by a 1.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the trunk, which is relatively spacious for the size of the vehicle and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And then looking in the back seat, we have seating for 3 with some fold-out armrests and cup holders in the middle and a 12-volt power outlet down there. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a Pioneer sound system. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 97,944 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls. And then in your center here you have your signal stock, which has all the controls for your center screen, so you can look at your digital speedometer, your fuel consumption, trip timer, navigation, all of your information together. So your distance to empty, digital speedometer, or mileage driven, and fuel economy, and more trip information. You can also cycle through some of your vehicle information here. Service info too. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, as well as Stitcher, CD, USB, auxiliary, and I believe also Bluetooth. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have all of your media controls here, and then you have your hazards, your hatch release, and your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use, and a little cubby down there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your traction control shutoff over here. Then you have your parking brake, a little cubby, 12-volt power outlet, and 2 cup holders. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which opens up with a decent amount of room, as well as your USB and auxiliary in there, so you can plug something into power charge or hook up your audio that way. And then last but not least, you do also have a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.